Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw US market uh, yesterday ended positive, though it was a marginal positive. And even if we talk about the futures, they are also marginally positive. But when we see the Asian market, markets are trading strong. They are mostly up by around 1%. Uh, Market in the US is awaiting more of CPI data, which is expected tomorrow, and which will have large implications on the policy meeting, which will be announced in first week of May, wherein the expectation is that the interest rate will increase by 0.25%. For tomorrow, the CPI expected to increase by around 0.2% month on month versus last month of 0.4%. Um, so that is what is expected from the US market tomorrow. Uh, Apart from that, yesterday IMD has announced that the rainfall will be below. Sorry, SkyMet has announced that the rainfall is expected to be lower than the average rainfall by around at 94%. So that will have an impact on overall production of agriculture and related industries in coming period. So that part continue to remain bit concerning as since last 2 3 years we are seeing good rainfall and there is a good uh, production of agri and supported industries. But this time quite possible that we may have a lower production and also that can have some impact on inflation and also uh, the other factors like related industries, agrochemical and uh, food processing may get impacted because of the lower productions. Apart from that, yesterday oil came off by around point $5, half a dollar. It's more remained stable, but the other commodities like aluminum came off by around 1.5%. Iron ore was flat and steel is down by around 1%. These are all mainly because the dollar index saw some positive movement yesterday and which had impact on the commodities. So overall seems more of we are seeing some positive trends. We had
We
seen
had
some
seen some
positive.
positive. Hello.
Yeah, because
Yeah. Good morning,
you
all
can
of you.
continue. Mm.
Yes, yes, sir. See, yesterday we saw that market facing the resistance upper side around 17,700 to 800, and we expect Nifty trading within the range, and that range comes around 17,814 upper side, and downside 17,570. But in technical purpose, we expect some profit booking in higher range. If Nifty trading near the 17,800 and 700, then we again facing the resistance, and we saw that yesterday also that upside we saw that first half, and then second half we saw that profit booking in index. Bank Nifty already trading the higher range, and we expect some profit booking also in Bank Nifty. An immediate resistance for Bank Nifty 41,200, and 40 above that, then we expect further rally 41,500. But immediate support place around 40,800 for Bank Nifty. So both index trading the near the upper range, and we expect some profit booking in higher end. Nifty Finance also trading the near the resistance zone. That resistance zone comes around 18,450 and 18,520 in upside, and support place around 18,360, 18,290 at downside. So all three index trading the upper end. We 1 to 2 trading session we see that is sustain that resistance, and close above. Then we expect further rally. Otherwise, we see some profit booking and upper end. Stock specific market looks positive, but some stock like ICICI Bank, HDFC, Reliance, large cap, we saw that some profit booking in upper side. So we expect some pressure in large cap in Reliance Industry also and ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. Mid cap looks positive at current level. Apollo Tire looks positive at current level. We saw that Apollo break the important resistance, that is 326, and close above that. We expect further rally for 340 to 342 in upside. Second, power grid also look positive at current level. We expect upside 238 and 240 next immediate target for power grid. Support place around 224 at downside. SRF also looks positive current level. We already given call in SRF. Upside target 2510 and 2345 is immediate support for. ICICI Banks looks weak. We already mentioned that the large cap banking also. Yesterday we saw that some pressure, that's ICICI Banks also looks weak at current level. We saw that yesterday for second half some pressure in all banking stock, and ICICI closed the important support zone, that is 870, and we expect further pressure towards 855, 850 at downside. Resistance place around 890 for ICICI Bank. That's it for technical. Derivative guy कहते हैं.
Good morning, everyone. So as per derivatives data, if you look at the overall structure, as I mentioned yesterday also, that the indicator right now looks so positive with the support of 17,500 and 600 level, because at 17,500 and 600 level, we are seeing that the OI position on the monthly basis, put writer positions are continuously getting added up. While against that, in yesterday's session, we have seen that the overall on the OI basis, there was some liquidation from the OI front. Almost 5% OI portion has got liquidated in yesterday's session from between all the ATM, near all the ATM strike. We're at 17,600 level, almost 7 million positions of a call writer got liquidated. So this is a positive sign for today's trading session. We expect in today's trading session Nifty to breach almost 17,750 to 800 level on the upper end. So currently the market scenario looks positive with the support of 17,500 level. Once if Nifty goes below 17,500 level, then only longs need to be exited on the upper end. The resistance which is showing right now on the monthly basis is at 17,800 to 850 level. Once Nifty comes near 17,800 to 850 level, then we should start booking some profit for the near term. Currently, as per the stock and sector specific, we expect auto sector, realty and chemical sector to show some positive strength. On the monthly report also, we have mentioned in auto Tata Motors for a buy call for the monthly basis. We are seeing that the Tata Motors has shown some great rally in yesterday's session and has made some great profit. So we expect the auto counter to show some more positive strength. While in today's trading session, the counter which looks positive would be AB Capital, M&M and Zydus Life. This three counter looks positive because the strong OI positions are getting built up from the start of the April series. And we expect the consolidation is getting over and the breakout is nearer for this all these three stocks. So keep watch on these three counters for some positive momentum. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Star Health and Allied Insurance has come up with a Q4 business update. The gross direct premium income grew by 13.8% year on year to 4,200 crores. Out of this, almost 93% of the premium is from the retail segment, which grew by 15% year on year. So in previous quarter, the growth was slightly higher, so it has kind of decelerated a bit, but still at 15%. And group segment degrew by 2% year on year. So overall, the update is neutral for Star Health. Bank of Baroda Q4 update is positive. Advances grew 5% sequentially, 19% year on year. However, within that, the domestic retail advances grew by 6.8% sequentially and 27% year on year, which is encouraging. And that is why we think that the update is positive. Fusion Microfinance Q4 business update is neutral, although overall it looks good. Growth stood at advances growth stood at 7% sequentially, compared to other MFI players, which have grown at slightly faster pace of 10 to 13%. However, on year basis, the loan growth remains robust at 37%. Number of borrowers witnessed 30% year-on-year growth. So bulk of the growth has come from volumes and not merely from ticket size increase. From long-term perspective, we remain positive on Fusion Microfinance. IRB Infra Developers has reported increase in toll collections of 5% on month-on-month basis and 21% on year-on-year basis for the month of March. So this is positive. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. JSW Steel reported its production numbers for Q4, wherein consolidated crude steel production grew by 7% sequentially and 13% year-on-year to 6.6 million ton. Production was higher mainly due to improved capacity utilization at its Indian operations, wherein the capacity utilization stood at 96% in Q4 versus 91% in Q3. So this is neutral for JSW. Thank you.
Good morning. Kalpataru Power Transmission, the EPC company, has received orders worth rupees 3,079 crores in March and April 23, including civil works for a data center and buildings of rupees 1,234 crores. EPC order in railway business of 754 crores and water supply projects of 708 crore in India. Further, the board has approved the change of the company's name to Kalpataru Projects International Limited from Kalpataru Power Transmission. This is positive for the company. Thank you.
Neogen Chemical signs agreement with Japan's MU Ionics Solutions Corporation to make electrolyte solutions in India. MU Ionic Solutions Corporation, incorporated in October 2020, is a joint venture between Mitsubishi Chemical Corporation and UBE Corporation, which is now a group company of Mitsubishi Chemical Group. According to the agreement, Neogen will obtain the license from MUIS for proprietary and confidential manufacturing technology for making its electrolyte solutions at its manufacturing facility in India, with a planned install capacity of up to 30,000 metric tons per annum. And the commercial production is expected to start in 2025. This collaboration will help Neogen Chemicals to achieve its target to meet the growing demand of lithium-ion cell manufacturers, and will reduce the approval times with Indian lithium-ion battery makers. So this is positive for the company over the long term. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Now request community team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we believe gold prices are expected to test 60,400 to 500 levels. Prices are holding 60,000 to 59,850 support zone. So as long as it is holding that level, we expect prices to test higher. 60,500 to 600 levels is quite possible. Silver, there could be some pullback till 74,800 to 75,000. Though prices are consolidating, fresh buying could be witnessed above 75,200. So as long as it is consolidating for trading purpose, one can sell with a strict stop loss of 75,300, and prices are expected to consolidate from 74,000 to 75,000. So for trading purpose, one can buy around 74,300 levels and maintain a stop loss of 74,000, and can sell around 75,000, maintaining a stop loss of 73,300 and maintain a strict stop loss because the momentum is positive. So as long as the consolidation is going on, one can trade within this range. Crude oil prices are holding 65 50 levels support zone. So prices can test 66 50 to 6700. All in all, prices are consolidating from 6500 to 6700. Natural gas, yesterday we had seen a strong move, a strong recovery. So this could continue and prices could test 190, 195 levels. So one can buy around 176 levels and keep a stop loss of 165. One can also initiate a option call. One can buy around 180 or 190 calls. In metal, copper prices are also consolidating. Prices are holding the support at 765, 64 level. And on upside, we believe 772, 74 is capped. So trading in this range is expected. Zinc, we had seen good recovery from yesterday's lows. So one can maintain a stop loss of 245 and we expect prices to test 252, 253 on.
Can't hear you, sir.
Hello?
Can't hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can I continue? Okay, can I share my view, sir? So we can witness some gap down opening in Euro INR 89.30 level. Yesterday we can share a short position around these levels of these 82.32 levels. So one can exit, take an exit from that position and one can create short position if we get some pullback around 89.40 levels with a stop loss of 89.68 levels for the target of 89.80 levels and 88.86 levels. In USD INR, one can create short position if we get some more pullback around 82.15 levels with a stop loss of 82.35 levels. And for each other purpose, we can put the target around 81.84 levels and 81.88 levels. Thank you.